What is up, guys? I wanted to come on here super fast to talk about the new Amex Gold card that I just got. If you guys don't know what the Amex Gold card is, it's like the elite of the elite of the elite credit cards. I just want to tell you guys some of the reasons why I chose the card and some of my favorite perks about the card so far. Let's get to it. I do want to let you guys know I do have the card in hand. First impressions, beautiful. I got the gold one. There's like two color options. You could get rose gold or regular gold. It's pretty heavy. Heavy like a weight. Like, I feel absolutely bougie. One of the reasons that I chose this card was because I really wanted to get into traveling. Me and my husband, we both have been wanting to explore the world. And with the gold card, it's really great when it comes to perks and points for traveling. One of the promotions they were running when I got the card was you would get about 60,000 points if you spend $4,000 in the next 6 months. 60,000 points equates to about $600. If you were to use it, travel, that could equal up to like $1,200 in flights. Like, I love to do gift giving. I'm always looking for ways to be more sentimental. And with the card, they have so many like offers that you could search through and scroll through from places a lot of times I have never shopped at or thought to shop at. On top of that, I get credit for spending my money there. I can get cash back for spending my money there. The third thing that I really liked about this card, adding an authorized user. So if you're familiar with regular credit cards, you can always add an authorized user. They can use the card just like normal, you know? So not only do I have my own gold Amex card, but also because my husband is an authorized user, they sent him his own gold Amex card. And so like he pretty much has a gold card too, but like for the price of one. The next thing that I really have never had before with a card, a no spending limit. Specifically for this card, you need to have I believe a 700 credit score and, you know, up. Income plays a part in getting this credit card as well. So unlike regular credit cards, they call this more of a charge card. So like you could spend and really there's no like utilization of the card. You just use it and you pay it off. There's still so many things about this card, guys, that the video would be an hour long, but I just want to highlight a couple of more things. Some other things that I love about this card is you also get $120 in Uber credit. You could use it for Uber Eats or you could use it for just regular Uber, and you get a $10 a month statement credit, which over 12 months equals $120. On top of that, you get an Eats Pass for free for a year, and also they have another $120 dining credit at like select places using the Grubhub app, going to Shake Shack. I forgot the other restaurants, but there's a select few. I personally have not read up on it too much. I've heard that there are certain Amex card lounges in places like that where you can use your Amex card to get access to certain rooms, lounges, and things like that. Obviously, hotels and savings and stuff, that's a whole nother thing. I'm excited to travel and really see what this card can do for me. These are just my first impression. They do have a $250 annual fee that you have to pay for this credit card. Now, for a lot of people, it's like, oh my gosh, like that's so much. But literally, if you knew the gravitas of this card and what it actually can do for you, $250 per year it's so slim to none compared to everything you get with this card. Plus, if you kind of break it down, it's about a little over $20 a month, which is what a lot of people pay for like subscriptions and things like that. And for me, and in my budget, I don't really pay for that many subscriptions, so I don't mind paying for this credit card in place of that. Let me know if you guys have any more questions. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.